Hi, hello, welcome to Vision for Development India channel. In my previous video, if you follow that previous videos, that continuation is this one. So you know very well what we are going to discuss. Uh, Electronic configuration. Before that, you need some fundamentals. So what are the fundamentals? You know very well. In spherical shaped atom, at the center nucleus is present. Around that nucleus, orbits are present. Orbits again contains the suborbits. So orbits denoted by the letter N. Orbits denoted by the letter N. So the values of N are orbits denoted by the letter N. Of course, whenever in atomic structure, if we are going to discuss that atomic structure in detail, we use the term quantum numbers, the principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number, like that we will discuss. But simply here I am going to take orbits, means orbits denoted by N. So N equal to, so the values of N, or N means principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means orbits. Orbit means principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means orbits. So orbits are principal quantum number denoted by the letter N. The values of N are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So orbits means principal quantum number. Principal quantum number denoted by the letter N. The values of N are, or the values of principal quantum number are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. You know very well, orbits again contain suborbits. So suborbits means azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number denoted by the letter L. Azimuthal quantum number denoted by the letter L. So the values of azimuthal quantum number, or the values of azimuthal quantum numbers, azimuthal quantum number means suborbits. Azimuthal quantum number means suborbits. So azimuthal quantum number is denoted by L. Now the values of L are, for S, L are 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Suppose in detail, for S, L equal to 0. For P, L equal to 1. For D, L equal to 2. And for F, L equal to 3. So orbits means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Suborbits means SPDF. Orbits means principal quantum number. At least, actually there are 4 quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers that you will learn in the atomic structure? To explain in detail about atom, 4 quantum numbers are required. That is, they are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Anyhow, to understand or to learn electronic configuration, at least you need 2 quantum numbers. What are that? Principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number means orbits. Azimuthal quantum number means suborbits. A principal quantum number denoted by N. N values are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And azimuthal quantum number or suborbits means L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Anyway, for S, L equal to 0, for P, L equal to 1, and for D, L equal to 3, for F, L equal to, for D, L equal to, for F, L equal to 3. Now, to learn electronic configuration, you need Aufbau principle. Now, what is Aufbau principle? Electrons first enters into lower energy level and then into higher energy level. To learn electronic configuration in detail, you need 3 rules: Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. At least by knowing that at least Aufbau principle, you can learn to some extent. What is Aufbau principle? Electrons first enters into lower energy level and then into higher energy level. Suppose orbital. See, orbital means you know very well. In first shell, only S is there. Previously we discussed it. And in second shell, S is there, P is there. First shell or first orbit contains S. Second contains SP. Third contains SPD. Okay. Fourth contains S, P, D, F, like that. So orbital. So combinedly, this is orbit, this is suborbit. Combinedly, you say that it is orbital. Now orbital n plus L value, n plus L value, n plus L value, n plus L value. You know very well n means principal quantum number, or n, what are the values of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. L means azimuthal quantum number. For S, L equal to 0. Now 1s, 1 plus S, for S, L equal to 0, then 1 plus 0 equal to 1. And now 2 plus 0 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now 3 plus, for D, L equal to 2. So then you will get how much? 5. N plus L value. To understand electronic configuration, you need Aufbau principle. So what is Aufbau principle? Before going to learn Aufbau principle, first you observe this table. Orbital and N plus L value. Here N plus L value for 3D is 5. Now 4s, N plus L value. So 4s, N plus L value, 4 plus 0, this is equal to 4. And 4p, 4 plus 1, this is equal to 5. Now 4 plus D, for D what is L value? 2, so 4 plus 2, 6. And 4 plus 3, this is equal to 7. To understand about electronic configuration, first you try to understand this table. So these are the N plus L values. Now what is Aufbau principle? Electrons first enters into lower energy level and then into higher energy level. Which is having lower energy level and which is having higher energy level? How you identify? The orbital which is having less N plus L value will have less energy, and more N plus L value will have more energy. Now you observe these orbital. 1s orbital is having less energy. So order of energy, order of energies of orbitals. Order of energies of orbitals. 1s is having less energy. After that 2s is having less energy. Which is having less energy, how you identify? If the N plus L value is less, then energy is less. So you observe here 2p and 3s are having same N plus L value. 2p and 3s are having same N plus L value. In this case, the orbital which is having, or otherwise, whenever any two orbitals are having same N plus L value, if the orbitals are having same N plus L values, then the orbital which is having less N value will have less energy. Here less N value, 2p and 3s, same N plus L value, so here less N value is there. So if N value is less, then energy is less. 2s less than 2p and 2p less than 3s. Okay. Now after that 3s, you go for that 3p. You observe here 3p and 4s. 3p and 4s are having same N plus L value. Then here less N value is there, then energy is less. 3s less than, 3p less than. After 3p, here 3d, 5. But 4p, 5. So 3d. So on. This is important. Order of energy of orbitals. So which is having less energy and which is having more energy, how you identify? According to Aufbau principle, you can identify. What is Aufbau principle? The orbital which is having less N plus L value will have less energy, and more n plus L value will have more energy. If any two orbitals are having same n plus L value, then the orbital which is having less n value will have less energy. Now this is the order of energy of orbitals. This is the order of energy of orbitals. If you know this, then you can understand that electronic configuration. Now let us go through that electronic configuration. Okay, before going to that electronic configuration, okay, or otherwise we will discuss electronic configuration in my next video. I request you all, please subscribe my video, sorry, for my channel. Okay, thank you all.